Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we will see how to log BACnet IP device data into CSV file with the help of Python script. Okay, so here is my BACnet room simulator, which is my BACnet IP device. I want to log the data of this BACnet IP device into the CSV file. Okay, and I want a CSV file per day. Okay, so if I have started my Python script today, so it should generate new files every day. Okay, so this is how we want to log the data. So for that we have created the Python script, and here is the location of the Python script. If you can see, development folder, dist folder, and this IPython notebook and the Python file. Okay, so once we run this Python script, it will store the CSV file into this folder. Okay, it will store per day CSV file in the same folder. Where is my Python script? We can also change the folder as per our requirement, but as of now it will store in this location. So first of all, we have to import the necessary functions and library in our Python script. So I have imported this one. Okay, you can see there is no error. You can ignore this code. Okay, there is no use of this code, and then we have to create a function which returns the BACnet device available across the network. Okay, so that is why the function I have created. Now the main function to create a CSV file and to log the data. If CSV file is not created, then it will create a CSV file, and if the date is changed, then also it will close the previous CSV file and it will create a new CSV file. So here we have set up the BACnet network, and if there is no BACnet device available across the network, then this code will stop. Okay, it will exit the code. After that, whatever BACnet device we have, we will choose the first BACnet device, because I have only one BACnet device in my network. So I'm going to choose the first BACnet device, which is my room controller simulator. You can also list out the BACnet device, and then you can choose whatever BACnet device you want to log the data for. Okay, and then after we will get some more info about this BACnet device room simulator using this get back0.device function, which we have created here. Okay, it will return the address, device ID, network ID, and all those things. After that, which points I want to log. Okay, so I have listed out the point which I want to log into the CSV file. Okay, if you want to log only 3 point, okay, then you can use this 3 point. It's up to you how much point you want to log. Okay, so you have to specify the points here. If you don't want to specify the point, and if you want to log entire BACnet device data, then also you can do it. Okay, it's up to you how you want to log the data. Then after we will create a CSV file. Okay, you can see we will create a CSV file here if it is not exist. Okay, based on the current date. So today is 16th December 2023. So it will create one file in this folder with the current date, and it will add the header. It will add the column name in that file first, because after that, once the logging is started, we don't have to add headers every time. Okay, or we don't have to modify the file later on for the headers or column names. So we will add the headers first. Then after while loop. Okay, while loop, here you can see point is equal to back0 underscore device dot point. So this code will get entire point data from that BACnet device. Okay, and it will log that data into the CSV file. You can see data to log, so it will create a data. Okay, which data it should log in the CSV file, and then after it will check that date is changed or not. If the date is changed, then it will create a new CSV file and it will log the data into the new CSV file. But if the date is not changed, okay, then it will log the data into the old CSV file, and it will again repeat the same step after 4 seconds. You can change the delay from here. Okay, if you want to log the data every 10 seconds, then you can use time.sleep in the bracket 10. Okay, I have used 4 seconds, so that's it. And then after I have handled the exception, if someone press Ctrl+C to stop the code, or if any problem occurs, then it will stop the code. Then after we have run the main function, so we will restart and clear all output here. Okay, we will run this cell. Okay, this cell is run. Now we will again run the return BACnet device cell, and then after we will create our main function you can see this is our main function, and then after we will run our main function. Okay, yeah, no BACnet device found. After that it started to look the BACnet device, and here you can see one BACnet device found, room controller.simulator, and here you can see CSV file is created. Now you can see this cell is running. It means it is logging the data. Okay, now if I change the set point to 20 from 21 to 19 by clicking on this echo mode, okay, the set point got changed, so it should log under that CSV file. Okay, set point. So this temperature set point is this point. You can see here set point value. Okay, so here you can see the temperature set point is equal to that set point value, and temperature indoor is this value 90.1, 19.5. Okay, so you will see those values in the CSV file. Now if I change to vacancy mode, then temperature set point gets changed to 17. Okay, so everything will be logged under this CSV file once we open it. Now if you want to close this Python script, or if you want to stop the Python script, then you can interrupt the kernel, or you can restart the kernel, or if you have run the same Python script using command line or CMD command prompt, then you can press Ctrl C to stop this. Okay, so here you can also press this button, interrupt the kernel, or interrupt. Okay, interrupting the kernel, and you can see the processing icon got changed to notebook icon. Now we can open this CSV file, because if we open the CSV file when the Python code is running, it will give error to the Python code because the file was not accessible at that time. So if I open this file, yeah, you can see here the data got logged. Now we know that we have changed the set point 3 times. Okay, previously our set point was 21. After that we have changed the set point to 19 in the echo mode. Okay, if I change to echo mode, then you can see set points change to 19. In the vacancy, set points change to 17. Okay, so you can see that this got logged in this CSV file. Okay, and you can see according to that the indoor temperature is decreasing based on the set point values. Okay, so everything is logged in this CSV file. So this is how you can use this Python script to log your BACnet device data into CSV file. It will create a new CSV file every day. Okay, so you don't have to stop your Python script, and you don't have to start your Python script again. It will handle those things. And if you have some new idea regarding this, then you can also ping me in the comments, or you can also send me a message on WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, anywhere. I'll implement those ideas and I'll create a new videos accordingly. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, that how you can use Python script to log your BACnet device data into CSV file. So we have to import the necessary functions and library. This is the function to return the BACnet device information, and this is the main function in which we will create a BACnet network. We will read the data from BACnet device. We will define the points, which points we want to log, and then we will read the point. We will check for the date. If the date is changed, then we will create a new file, and then we will log. And if the date is not changed, then we will log the data into the previous CSV file. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, and if you still have any question or concern, then you can ping me on WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, anywhere. Otherwise, we will meet you in the next video, and in the next video maybe we can do the same thing with the MySQL database. Okay, right now we are logging the data into the CSV file, and in the next video we will see how to log the same data into MySQL database. So stay tuned for the next video, and till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.